Good day, everyone. We are the Group 1 of 4C, and together with my groupmates, we will be presenting our strategic plan on our coffee shop business. Our business name is Escafe, Escape Through Coffee. Basically, our business name came from the two words escape and coffee, because we believe that coffee is more than just a beverage. It is an escape from the daily routine or stressors. It is a lifestyle, and it is a hobby. The name Escafe could suggest a place where people can escape from their regular environment and enjoy a cup of coffee in a relaxed setting. Additionally, the name could evoke imagery of a cozy, welcoming atmosphere where individuals can unwind and take a break from their busy lives while savoring their favorite coffee beverages. In today's society, coffee plays significant role in many people's daily routines, regardless of age. It is a staple in the morning. It is the staple in the morning ritual for countless individuals, providing the energy boost that we needed to start the day. We believe as cafe it will serve as meeting places, workspaces, and social hubs, bringing people together from all walks of life. Moreover, the coffee industry supports livelihood worldwide from farmers cultivating coffee beans to baristas crafting specialty beverages. Scafe was established on February 14, 2024, and just like what I've said, Scafe came from the two words which is escape and coffee. It is inspired by the idea of offering our customers an escape from their daily routine through the cozy ambience and delicious coffee of our shop. It is rooted in the rich tradition of coffee houses as havens for escape, social interaction, and intellectual exchange throughout the history. Here is our organizational chart. For the owner and founder, it was founded by the six of us. The owner or founder is responsible for setting the overall vision, mission, and goals of the coffee shop. They make strategic decisions, oversee the operations, and ensure the business success. For the operations, it will be handled also for the six of us. The operations department is responsible for the day-to-day management of the coffee shop. This includes overseeing the staff, ensuring daily quality service, managing inventory, and maintaining cleanliness and organization. For marketing sales, it will be handled by Ms. Catherine Ortega and Mr. Prince Cedric De Cara. The marketing and sales department focuses on promoting the coffee shop, attracting customers and increasing sales, and this includes developing marketing campaigns, managing social media presence, and working on customers' retention strategies. For our human resources, it will be handled by Mr. Ryan Cabral and Ms. Roxanne Pomperada. The HR department is responsible for recruiting, training, and managing the coffee shop's employees. They handle employee relations, performance evaluations, and ensure compliance with labor laws and regulations. Lastly is finance and administration. It will be handled by yours truly, Maria Elia Estrellado, and the finance and administration department manages the financial aspects of the coffee shop, including budgeting, accounting, payroll, and financial reporting. I will be also handling administrative tasks such as scheduling, record keeping, and office management. Each department plays a crucial role in the overall success of Escafe and works together to ensure smooth operations and customer satisfaction.
For our duties and responsibilities, the duties and responsibilities of Escape and its founders extend far beyond simply serving coffee. They embody a commitment to excellence, hospitality, and community that permeates every aspect of the business. Through their dedication and passion, they have created not just a coffee shop, but a beloved gathering place where memories are made and friendship flourish. As part of our duties, we ensure consistently deliver high quality products. Also, the clean and sanitary environment is essential for our customer satisfaction. We deeply committed to fostering strong relationship with customers, and we prioritize genuine interaction and personalized service. Our core values is number one, quality. We are committed to serving the highest quality coffee and beverages to our customers. Number two is community. We strive to create a welcoming and inclusive environment where everyone feels like part of the Escape community. Sustainability. We are dedicated to sourcing our coffee beans and ingredients in environmentally and socially responsible manner. Innovation. We are always looking for new and creative ways to enhance the customer experience and improve our products and services. Number five is passion. We are passionate about coffee and dedicated to sharing our love for the beverages with our customers. Customer service, we prioritize exceptional customer service and aim to exceed our customers' expectation in every interaction. And number seven is local support. We are committed to supporting local suppliers and businesses, contributing to the growth and success of our community. La- Number eight is education. We believe in educating our customers about the different aspects of the coffee. Number nine is teamwork. We value teamwork and collaboration among our staff members. And last is creativity. We encourage creativity and innovation among our team members and inspiring them to come up with new ideas and offerings that set up apart from other coffee shops. And for our qualification and assessment offering, we have certified baristas. Our baristas are highly trained and certified in the art of coffee making, ensuring that every cup of coffee served at Escafe is the highest quality. And we have a specialty coffee association training. We offer we offer SCA training programs for our staff and to further enhance their knowledge about the skills and preparation, brewing techniques, and customer service. We have coffee tasting events and customer feedback surveys and barista competition. And last is coffee roasting tours. We organize tours of our coffee roasting facilities to give customers a behind behind the scene look of the coffee roasting process. Next is our mission vision. Our mission is to commit ourselves to treat our customers with excellent and efficient service and provide comfortable environment in which comfort and people in which people may always feel For our vision, Escape strives to be acknowledged as a well-known coffee shop.
For our mission, our Escafe business, we commit ourselves to treat our customers with excellent and efficient service and provide a comfortable environment in which people may always feel at ease. And for our vision, our Escafe strives to be acknowledged as well as known coffee shop and seeks to satisfy and customers with its products and services. And for our objectives, our objective is we aim to serve everyone the best quality and most interesting varieties of coffees, perhaps pastas, accompaniments. Additionally, our objective to provide a coffee shop that will not only be known for serving great coffee, but also an environment to relax, socialize, and provide a quality food at a reasonable price, a place where customers can savor their food and drinks while reading books, enjoying the view and the interior of the shop, and more. And for our SWOT analysis, the summary of our SWOT analysis is succeed in business is a crucial to focus on the positive aspects while addressing and mitigating the challenges high quality coffee, convenient location, and appealing menu offerings. Friendly staff, a strong online presence, and commitment to sustainable or significant strengths. This our leverage to attract and retain customers. Basically, our Escafe business all want to be good in serving coffee, but it also not just the food is being good, but also the service and the overall interior design of our business. And our strategy components is market targets, identifying competitors, conduct market research, creating budget, define and track matrix, marketing and differentiation strategy. For our market target, of course, we should know we should research who is going to be our market target. We should be find a good place where we can build our business. And for our identifying competitors, we should know what, since our business is all related about coffees and snacks, we should be knowing who our future competitors. And for our conduct market research on that specific place where we are building our business, we should know what the people likes and dislikes on that location. And for our creating budget will be discussed by Ms. Roxanne. And for our define and track matrix, and for our strategic assumption, in undertaking strategic plan, assumption should be generated at this might be viewed as key elements in every company and organization.
For our strategic assumption, we assume that there is a significant demand for high-quality espresso-based beverages and a comfortable environment for socializing and working among our target audience, which includes young professionals, students, and coffee enthusiasts. We anticipate that the espresso and cafe market will continue to grow, driven by the increasing popularity of specialty coffee and the desire for unique and enjoyable social experience. We assume that there will be competition from existing coffee shops and espresso bars in the area. But we believe that our unique concept of combining a cafe and espresso bar
with a focus on quality, ambience, and customer experience will differentiate us from competitors. We believe that by offering exceptional customer service, a consistent and high quality product, and a visually appealing atmosphere, we can establish a strong brand identity and attract a loyal customer base. We assume that our business can generate revenue through the sale of espresso-based beverages, food items, and merchandise, as well as through hosting events and offering catering services. We anticipate that our employees will play a crucial role in delivering a memorable customer experience. We assume that we can attract and retain a dedicated and skilled workforce through competitive compensation, training, and a positive work environment. For our budget requirements, the establish of Escafe in Luzon proper, City of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, started in February 2024, and we also have a website. For food, we have pasta, pastries, and appetizer. For beverages, we have hot and iced coffee, non-coffee based and coffee based craft. And as for the budget requirements, we, the owner, initiate the expenditures.
For our vision statement, strategic directions, for our vision statement, our vision was to strive to be acknowledged as well-known coffee shop and seek to satisfy its consumer with its product and services. We also aim for its customer contentment in its product and services. For our strategic directions, first things first is continuously strive to source the highest quality coffee beans and ingredients while also experimenting with new innovative flavors to keep customers excited and engaged. Second, it was to focus on providing exceptional customer service and creating a welcoming environment that encourages customers to relax, socialize, and enjoy their coffee experience. Third was to develop a strong brand identity for Cafe that resonate with our target audience and effectively communicate our values of quality, innovation, and community. Fourth is to explore opportunities for expansion into new locations, both locally and regionally, to reach a broader customer base and increase brand awareness. Fifth was to commit to sustainable practices in sourcing, operation, and packaging to minimize our environmental impact and contribute to a more sustainable future. Lastly, is to engage with the local community through partnerships, events and initiatives that support local business, artists and organizations, fostering a sense of belonging and connection among our customers. For our strategic plan, the strategic plan for our coffee business, the Escafe, was to aim to establish a thriving coffee business that stands out in the market by offering high quality products, exceptional customer service, and a welcoming atmosphere. So over the next 5 years, as Cafe aims, the owner aims to establish itself as a premier coffee destination known for its quality product, exceptional customer service, and strong community engagement. So to achieve those, we have outlined the following key strategies. First was to develop branding. We established Cafe as a premium coffee brand through consistent messaging, visual elements, and customer experiences. Second is the product and services expansion. Expands our menu to include a wider range of specialty coffee beverages, teas, and food items to cater to diverse customer preferences. Third is marketing strategies. We utilize social media campaigns, local partnership, and community events to increase brand awareness and attract new customers. Fourth, operational efficiency. Implement sustainable practices, local partnership, and community events to increase brand awareness and attract new customers. Lastly is to growth expansion. identity opportunities for growth, such as opening new locations in strategic areas or expanding our product offering to meet evolving market demand. So by implementing these strategies over the next 5 years, we aiming to solidify its position as a leading coffee brand that is synonymous synonymous with quality, innovations, and community involvement, and focus on brand development, product expansion, customer experience, marketing strategy, operational efficiency, growth, and community engagement. We the owner of S Cafe, are confident that we will achieve sustained success and growth in the competitive cafe industry. So this will be the last part of our strategic plan. I hope you learn something about our business. Thank you and God bless po.